there, it's me from the future. I was just doing a little bit of editing and realized some people might not know about the videos that I already posted about this trip. So check this out. So if you're new to the channel, it's AdventureJason_, and you can go to my home, check out some of these videos. And if you just need to see what was going on before this video, go up to videos, go down to latest, and this trip started at the Solar Eclipse Festival. So start there and go to the next one, the Shiprock and Mesa Verde National Park, and exploring and camping, and that'll get you caught up to this video. So I hope that helps you out. So sit back and enjoy.
We got into Oregon a little while ago, and now we're headed out to a spot where I've camped a few times before. So we're ready for bed. It's pretty late, we're tired. So we'll see if anyone else is out here. Hopefully not.
I apologize for the lack of footage I got tonight. I was pretty tired and wasn't really in the mood for filming. You'll see some better shots tomorrow.
Springs right over there. I don't see anyone either.
If you've seen some of my previous videos, this might look familiar to you.
Made it. So, I guess our door isn't waterproof. I got water all over inside the RV. Yep. It's real wet in here. Alright. Well, we're gonna dry out the trailer with some towels and go to bed. See you in the morning. It's a nice morning out. We camped right over there. And we're gonna head out here pretty soon.
But first, we're going to enjoy these hot springs for a few minutes.
got out of the hot springs, and this was one of the nicest hot spring experiences I've ever had. It's super clean. Look at the scenery. It's perfect outside. Not windy, nice and warm. Camp is right there. It was great. Got my coffee here and just gonna walk back to camp and prep the trailer for the river crossing on the way back. This time I'm gonna close up all the windows and everything and turn on the air to push air in so it pressurizes the camper, so hopefully less water comes in. But it was good to see where the weakness is. Guess I have a little bit of work to do to make it waterproof. So we'll see how this goes. We're prepping the trailer for the river crossing, and I just realized that I didn't show you our new magnet. It's pretty cool. It matches the Mount Rainier one, so we're pretty happy about that. And my little latches are coming in pretty handy. They're working well for our rough roads that we're on. Alright, so we got all the windows closed up and the Max Air fan bringing air in to pressurize the trailer. And I'm going to lift it as high as it goes. And we should be set to go back.
We're not going to take any chances on this one. The water has risen a little bit overnight. This was the first time pulling a trailer out to the island. Also, that was the deepest water that I've been through out to the island as well. So lifting the trailer and pressurizing the cabin did help keep some water out, but we still got some in there, just not as much as on the way over. Alright, it's time to unlock the hubs. And back on the pavement.
Oh, they're sending a drone up. See up on the hill, there's a big cat up there moving dirt and stuff around, and they knocked down some big boulders in the road. So they're cleaning those up right now before we can be on our way. Don't knock any down on us. This food's great. We stopped in at what is this place?
Cookhouse.
Juniper Cookhouse. It's in Burns, Oregon. If you guys get a chance, stop here. It's good barbecue.
Amazing and great price.
Oh, look at that. Mud inside. Alright, well, I'm just going to close out this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. That was a pretty big trip. 12 days on the road. So it was fun. We are back in Oregon, and we're just probably about 4 or 5 hours away from home. So the rest is just cruising. So hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you next time.